Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to review Bizee, which you might also know as the company formerly called InkFile. Bizee is a popular business formation service that helps entrepreneurs set up their LLCs, corporations, or other business entities without the hassle of doing it all on their own. Over the years, it has become well known for its affordability, ease of use, and range of services. In this review, I'll walk you through what Bizee offers, how it works, its strengths and weaknesses, and whether it might be the right choice for your business. The first thing people usually notice about Bizee is the pricing. Unlike many competitors, Bizee offers a free LLC formation package where you only pay the state filing fees. That's a huge draw for startups and new entrepreneurs who want to keep their costs low. While you'll still have to pay for extras like a registered agent service or annual compliance support, having the option to form an LLC at no extra service charge makes Bizee stand out in a crowded market. Beyond pricing, Bizee focuses on convenience. The platform guides you step by step through the formation process, asking simple questions about your business name, structure, and state of registration. It then prepares and files your paperwork for you. For people who feel overwhelmed with legal forms and requirements, this can save a lot of time and stress. Once your business is formed, Bizee also gives you lifetime company alerts, which means they notify you whenever the state requires something like an annual report or other compliance documents. Another big feature is their registered agent service. Every LLC or corporation is required by law to have a registered agent, and Bizee includes this service free for the first year. After that, it renews at an annual fee. A registered agent ensures your business has a legal point of contact to receive official mail, tax notices, or legal documents. This is especially helpful if you don't want your personal address on public record or if you travel frequently. Bizee also offers additional services like EIN registration, annual report filing, business license research, and even business banking partnerships. The idea is that once you're in the platform, you can handle much of your business compliance in one place. However, it's important to know that many of these add-ons come at an extra cost, and this is where their upselling can feel a bit aggressive. Some users have noted that the checkout process tries to push multiple extras, which can be overwhelming if you just want the basics. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, Bizee is one of the most affordable ways to form an LLC, with a free package that makes business formation accessible to almost anyone. The platform is beginner-friendly, offers lifetime compliance alerts, and includes a free year of registered agent service, which adds a lot of value. On the downside, ongoing costs like the registered agent renewal or add-on services can add up over time. Their customer support has received mixed reviews, with some users praising quick responses and others reporting delays. So, who is Bizee best for? It's ideal for first-time business owners, entrepreneurs on a budget, and anyone who wants a simple, guided process for forming a company. If you're looking for the absolute lowest startup cost with reliable compliance reminders, Bizee is hard to beat. But if you want premium customer service, bundled extras, or long-term savings on registered agent fees, you might also want to compare it with competitors like Zen Business or LegalZoom. Overall, Bizee delivers on its promise of affordable and easy business formation. It may not have all the premium features of more expensive services, but for the price and convenience, it's a solid choice for many entrepreneurs looking to launch their business quickly and with confidence. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.